This All-Clad HA1 hard-anodized nonstick fry pan is a kitchen helper. It comes in a 12-inch size and a sleek black color. The pan is made with hard-anodized aluminum. This makes it strong and heat up quickly. It has a non-stick surface. This helps food slide off easily. Cleaning up after dinners becomes simple. The All-Clad HA1 hard-anodized nonstick fry pan is safe for different cooking methods. You can use it on any stovetop, including induction. It can also go in the oven and broiler up to 500 degrees F. The lid is safe in the oven up to 350 degrees F. This pan is more than just a mat for your stove. It helps you cook many meals. It is a great addition to any kitchen. This All-Clad HA1 hard-anodized nonstick fry pan aims to make cooking easier. The nonstick coating means you can use less oil. This is great for healthy cooking. The pan heats evenly, so your cheese melts just right, and your employee potluck dishes cook perfectly. While it doesn't have a spout, its flared edges help with pouring. It's a reliable pan for many kitchen trends. And you might not need that extra towel for scrubbing stuck food. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, induction ready, oven safe to 500 F, broiler safe, lid safe to 350 F, durable hard anodized, good for frying 12-inch size. From All-Clad. Cons: don't use high heat, avoid non-stick sprays, smaller cooking surface, heavy. Some find it so, not a buy it for life item, risk of leaching with damage, difficult customer service, lids oven temp lower features. Brand: All-Clad. Product: fry pan. Material: hard anodized, coating, non-stick, size 12-inch, induction ready, oven safe, 500 F, broiler safe, lid safe, 350 F, type. Pots and pans. This All-Clad fry pan is a 12-inch black pan made from hard anodized material with a non-stick coating. It's part of their pots and pans cookware line and is safe to use on induction stovetops. You can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and under the broiler. The lid can go in an oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This All-Clad 12-inch fry pan has a non-stick surface that makes it easy to cook and clean. And it's also induction ready and oven, broiler safe. It's made from durable hard anodized material and is good for frying. However, it's important to use low to medium heat and avoid non-stick sprays to maintain the surface. Some users might find the cooking surface smaller and the pan heavy. It's also noted that this pan may not last a lifetime and there's a risk of leaching if damaged. The lid is oven safe to a lower temperature, and some customers have reported difficulties with customer service.